MYSZ stock analysis next week and onward. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end, find out. My size is sitting at $2.74 and it is 5.5% up. Well, like relatively speaking, I'll just come here to like the weekly chart and just show you this beautiful shift that we just recently had. And I'm just very curious about my opportunity. Yeah, right. So after they started breaking, I was like, yes, I'm ready. I mean, if the price gives me the signs that it wants to go up and my confirmation is met, I'm ready to pull the trigger. It never gave me the rules. I mean, you can clearly see that the price just kind of kept plummeting. So not trades got taken. And then I kind of abandoned it. And like, honestly speaking, I know Friday was like 5% up, but like for me to really count this as something bullish potentially, the price must break this 4-hour high. And as long as we're in like this range right now in between, it's just a no man's land, right? So I'm not interested in the price. So I'll definitely keep you updated. If you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.